Alright, we got MoLuminum truck parts. Here's how you get a hold of them if you want to get some stuff.
Hey, buddy. I'll be able to see you.
And let's see what all he's got. What's your best seller, Jamie?
Probably tires.
Tires. How much are your tires?
25 a set today.
Okay. So a bag is 25?
Yep.
What about your these here?
12 bucks today.
Okay.
Some floats.
Yep, some floats. You got, and they're rubber too. They aren't hard plastic or anything, or hard resin. Got nice stuff, man.
Thanks. Hope everybody has a good time today.
These engines look good too.
Thanks. Lots of new jazz stuff, though.
Yeah. I picked up a bunch of this stuff last year. What's going on, man?
I'm trying to be as skinny as possible. No, you're fine.
What's this, Jamie?
For the D8 cat.
Okay.
Those from a guy in Italy.
Right? You eliminated the old frog eyes. Yeah.
That's cool. What's that go to? What's that for?
For scratch building just about anything.
Is it decking?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I wasn't sure if it was decking or screen. Nice.
It does have some screen too.
Oh, you got all the grills? Yep.
Yeah.
Nice stuff, man.
They're on the water. They're not here.
MoLuminum. You guys got to check them out. It's good stuff.